Choosing the right electric chainsaw can be tricky. Low power, short battery life, and heavy designs often slow you down during yard work or woodworking projects. But today's advanced electric chainsaws solve these problems with powerful brushless motors, fast cutting speeds, and lightweight bodies that anyone can handle. In this video, we bring you the top 5 best electric chainsaws of 2025, carefully selected after researching user reviews and real performance tests. All product links are in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tool reviews. Number 5. PATUOPRO 16-inch brushless cordless electric chainsaw. This 16-inch cordless chainsaw delivers strong cutting power with its brushless motor, making it ideal for branches, logs, and orchard work. It runs on Makita batteries, giving great compatibility and long runtime. The lightweight handheld design reduces fatigue, while the rechargeable system keeps it portable for outdoor tasks. Perfect for gardeners, DIY users, and homeowners who want reliable performance without cords. Number 4. Onkel.J 12/16-inch high-power corded chainsaw 220V. This corded electric chainsaw is built for continuous high-power cutting with no battery limitations. Available in 12 or 16-inch sizes, it features a strong brushless motor and a durable AC power design. It's great for felling small trees, cutting firewood, and household woodworking. With steady power delivery and minimal maintenance, this chainsaw is perfect for anyone who wants consistent performance at home. Number 3. SeeSii 8-inch cordless mini electric chainsaw. The SeeSii 8-inch mini chainsaw is compact yet surprisingly powerful. Designed for pruning, trimming, and garden work, it uses Makita 18V batteries for long-lasting performance. The small size makes it easy to handle, especially in tight spots. Despite being lightweight, it cuts through branches efficiently with its high-speed chain. Perfect for gardeners, campers, and anyone who needs a portable cutting tool. Number 2. Electric Goddess 12-inch brushless electric chainsaw. This 12-inch brushless chainsaw runs at 7,000 revolutions per minute and is compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, making it a great option for existing DeWalt users. It's lightweight, easy to operate, and designed for yard work and wood cutting. The brushless motor offers strong torque and efficiency, while the handheld body keeps it comfortable during extended use. Ideal for homeowners wanting power and convenience in one tool. Number 1. YOFIDRA 12-inch 7000W brushless chainsaw. The YOFIDRA 12-inch cordless chainsaw delivers incredible performance with a powerful 7000W brushless motor. Compatible with Makita batteries, it offers strong torque, high cutting speed, and smooth operation. Great for pruning, firewood cutting, and general yard work, it combines portability with pro-level power. This is the top choice for users who want maximum cutting capability in a compact cordless tool. These electric chainsaws deliver the perfect mix of power, portability, and efficiency. Whether you need a compact pruning tool or a powerful brushless cutter, there's an option here for every task. Which one suits your needs best? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.